Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of Python programming. Our first question is, who developed Python programming language? Here given options are option A, Wick van Rossum, B, Rasmus Ledrow, C, Guido van Rossum, and D, Nanny Stomp. Your correct answer is option C, Guido van Rossum. He is a Dutch programmer from Netherlands. Our next question, which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? Given options are a.python, b.pl, c.py, d.p. Your correct answer is option c.py. Our next question, is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Given options are option A no, option B yes, option C machine dependent, option D none of the mentioned. Your correct answer is option B yes. Case is always significant while dealing with identifiers in Python. Next question, which type of programming does Python support? Given options are A. Object-oriented programming, B. Structured programming, C. Functional programming, D. All of the above. Your correct answer is option B. All of the above. So Python is an interpreted programming language which supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming. Next question, is Python code compiled or interpreted? Given options are Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Option B, Python code is neither compiled nor interpreted. Option C, Python code is only compiled. Option D, Python code is only interpreted. The correct option is option A, Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Next question, what will be the value of the following Python expression? Given expression is 4 plus 3 modulo operator 5. So your percentage symbol is used for remainder checking. Given options are option A 7, option B 2, option C 4, option D 1. So see here, the order of precedence is modulo operator then plus. So hence the expression have on simplification result in 4 plus 3 equals 7. Hence the result is 7. Your correct answer is option A 7. Next question, all keywords in Python are dash. Option A capitalized, option B lowercase, option C uppercase, option D none of the mentioned. Your correct answer is option D none of the mentioned. True, false and none are capitalized while the other in lowercase. Next question, which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? Given options are option A indentation, option B key, option C brackets, option D all of the mentioned. Your correct answer is option A indentation. See the explanation, in Python to define a block of code we use indentation. Indentation refers to white space at the beginning of the line. Our next question, which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? Given options are A, pass, B, eval, C, assert, D, non-local. Your correct answer is option B, eval. Eval can be used as variable. Next question, which of the following functions can help us to find the version of Python that we are currently working on? Given options are option A, sys.version in bracket 1, option B, sys.version in bracket 0, option C, sys.version empty bracket, option D, sys.version. Your correct answer is option D, sys.version. See the explanation. The function sys.version can help us to find the version of Python that we are currently working on. It also contains information on the build number and compiler used. For example, 3.5.2, 2.7.3, etc. This function also returns the current date, time, bits, etc. along with the version. Thank you.